Okay, let's just keep this show rolling along here. Let's just take a look at the great state of Ohio. Okay, now we always need to remind ourselves about the state of Ohio. That is, in February 2021, the governor's office came out and said, oops, we undercounted COVID-19 deaths by close to 4,000 in the fourth quarter of 2020. But of course, rather than going back and doing the right thing and correcting the numbers in the fourth quarter, he simply decided to add them on to February 11th, 12th, and 13th of 2021, which of course produces a ridiculous spike. So our solution is to replace those 3 days with the average number of deaths for those days. Okay? Here's the governor's official numbers. Look what these numbers did to everything else before and after. So you can see here, we replaced them with the average number of deaths, which gives us this three numbers here, which is a much better fit. Okay? So we take a look here at the, of course, you can run, but you can't hide. You can't hide from the trend, okay? Because the trend is still our friend. As much, I'll just mention one other thing. Sometime in the spring, I think around March, the governor also went from a 7-day reporting cycle for COVID-19 deaths to a 5-day reporting cycles. Okay? Okay. And of course, the kicker is it doesn't appear to be the same 5 days a week. But nonetheless, like I said, you can run, but you can't hide from the trend. And the trend is, if it's the first of the year, a long declining pattern trend in deaths in COVID-19 in Ohio. Then this big spike, this big up here. You can see this over here. This is actually higher than this. All right. This is actually higher than this. There's a dip here. Now it appears to be going back up again. Now, what about, well, here's a few. Here, everybody likes summary statistics. You can see the average number of deaths was 35.9. The minimum was a negative 598. The maximum is 752. Okay. All right. Okay. And there's 226 values that had zeros. And again, if you ignore the spikes, you can see the pattern, similar long declining pattern, COVID-19 cases in Ohio up until July. Then you had a big climb here in July, a dip, and now the numbers for Ohio are trending back up again. You can see here that the minimum cases was zero, the maximum is 2,811, the median is 1,483. The maximum is 25,721 cases. Okay, and this is just the cases by week. Nothing new there. Okay, so that takes care of the report for the state of Ohio for today. That's what, three to go: Portugal, Sweden, and the U.S. I mean, so is there a correlation between temperature and relative humidity and the measure of sunlight? Let's just keep this thing rolling along.